Hi, welcome back. Today we're cooking Parma ham, Gorgonzola and hot honey pizza in a wood-fired oven.
Hi, I'm Martin and I'm passionate about cooking outdoors.
Hi, welcome back. I just want to discuss with you before we get started something that was brought to my attention about a week ago, and it's the concept of hot honey. I've never come across hot honey before, and this is the magical ingredient that I've been told about. If you don't know what hot honey is, it's basically honey infused with chili. And then I thought to myself, given that my wife is a beekeeper, we could make our own hot honey and make some kind of recipe with it. Therefore, I thought to myself, you've got sweet honey, the heat of the chilies, what would go with that? Something salty. And then I thought of like making a pizza probably with Parma Ham and Gorgonzola, a salty cheese, a salty ham with the sweetness and the chili. So let's get started by chopping the logs nice and small so that they burn hot and fast. Start with a top-down fire in the middle of the oven. Ideally, you want an oven temperature of around 350 to 400 C for cooking pizza. You're going to have to feed the fire quite a lot before you can achieve this temperature. You're also going to need quite a hot base at the bottom of the oven in order to crisp up your pizza. So now it's time to get your toppings organised. To build your pizza, start flouring a board. Lay the dough on the board and stretch out using your hands. Then get the dough nice and thin with a rolling pin. You're going to need this pizza base really thin if you want to get it nice and crispy. Then sprinkle a pizza peel with a mix of flour and semolina. Drag the dough onto the peel and start building your pizza. Start by adding your tomato sauce. Always build your pizza on the peel, otherwise it's difficult to drag a fully built pizza onto a peel and it will start falling apart. Add 6 slices of Parma ham. And then add around 100 grams of Gorgonzola. Sprinkle over a good generous handful of mozzarella. And a pinch of black pepper. Always make sure that the pizza is not sticking to the peel before putting it in the oven. And when you're sure it's not sticking, get it straight into the oven. Then pour yourself a nice glass of wine. Keep a constant check on the pizza. It'll only take a couple of minutes to cook. Just be careful that it doesn't burn. Turn the pizza now and then to get an even cook. Now you can see that cheese really starting to bubble. It smells absolutely gorgeous and it looks great. Time for a bit of slow-mo. And when you're happy that the pizza's cooked, remove it from the oven. Just look at the crust on that. And then for the star of the show, it's time to get on the hot honey. Then add some nice fresh rocket. And there you have it, Parma ham, Gorgonzola and hot honey pizza. We're not going hungry tonight. So there you have it. I've not taken Pitmaster's privilege tonight and eaten it in front of you, but the pizza was absolutely delicious, I've got to tell you. All the recipes and ingredients are all down in the description below if you want to do it yourself. So, cheers. Oh God. Oh. So right, here we go. So there you have it. That was, oh,